Good evening, or good afternoon. I'm going to show you how to do a multi-cut mold. This is the West Virginia StrawTopper mold. Um, the, when you resin the piece, you need to put the rubber bands around it to keep the slits, the cuts together properly. And when you're demolding it, first thing you do is take off the rubber bands. And then where the StrawTopper straw is, you want to use something, and I use like the end of my little clippers or weeding tools to press around on the top of that so that you can break the suction. Then where the cuts are, you're going to open it up. And I have the cuts where you can easily demold this. So you open it up, and on this one, the West Virginia one, you're going to undo the StrawTopper piece first, which is from the back. So let's get that part out. See the straw piece? Alright, we got that out. Once you have that piece out on this mold, you can take the part, usually on the sides, because there's one slit, the second slit's on the side, one of the sides. You get your fingers in there and wriggle it out. And there you go. And your mold goes back to normal. So that's how you deal with this one and similar ones that have multiple splits. I have the cuts where you can easily put it back together when you're to do the resin piece with the rubber band. Usually you just need one good tight one and you wrap it multiple times. So that's all you do so that it realigns. You need to make sure your lines are put together so that when you look at the top, it looks like a whole piece, no cuts. Okay? And that way you can fill it up with your resin and have one good piece. Hope that helps for those who haven't worked with molds, the complicated molds that have slices or cuts in them. Have any questions, let me know. Designodeal VIP on Facebook. Have a great day.